Hello, welcome to Ginger Cookery channel. I'm so excited that you are back right here. What are we going to learn today? I'm going to show you how to prepare desiccated coconut and grated carrot salad. And I will also spice it up with some dried raisin. Please just sit back and enjoy as you learn how to prepare this. Let's get into the kitchen. Here are the ingredients that I'm going to use for the salad, for the desiccated coconut and carrot salad. So I have my desiccated coconut, I have my raisins, I also have my carrots, of course grated carrots. Just sit and let's continue moving on. Here are the carrots. I'm putting them in the bowl. My grated carrot. Remember, I'm making desiccated coconut and carrot salad. There we have the carrots. Then here is my desiccated coconut. Wow. This is usually very good when you just put it on the side of your food, whether your vegetables, whatever it is. There, I've put my desiccated coconut and mix it up with the carrot. Mix it up very well with the carrot. Then I have my raisins. You just drop the raisins, then you mix it up. Mix it up very well. This is desiccated and grated carrot salad, desiccated coconut and grated carrot salad. Wow. Wow, my salad is ready. Grated carrot, desiccated coconut and raisins. Please try this at home. Subscribe, like, and share the video. See you next time as you enjoy your desiccated coconut and